Personally, I like the T-Rex Buckle Up Buttercup You Just Flipped My Witch Switch Halloween shirt. Centipedes are cool, and a shortened form would not have any unfortunate similarities to pedophile at all. Quote, because a centipede is. T-Rex Buckle Up Buttercup You Just Flipped My Witch Switch Halloween shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. It's a pretty T-Rex Buckle Up Buttercup You Just Flipped My Witch Switch Halloween shirt. Gender-critical feminists like to claim TERF is a slur. Race realists like to claim racist is a slur. Pro-lifers like to claim anti-woman is a slur. They know progressives and general non-assholes take things like slurs seriously. People need to calm down and understand this. We are